Hey YouTubers, good morning. Guys, more and more cans are coming with these type of lids, and I've always thought there should be something we could use these for. So the other day I thought of something. What if you use them to keep your fingers from getting chopped? They're pretty simple. You just take the lid, bend it back, make this flat, and you're good to go. Maybe make that a little more flat. You know, a knife that's sharp has less accidents in the kitchen. However, if a knife is very sharp, if you do have an accident, it's a lot more problematic. Let's try bending that flat. And curving just a bit. Now, it's a working process. Now we're going. There you go. Give it a shot.